We're on our way to Cumbria Autoshow down in the Borders. I'm following the Golf R, we've got the Evo with us, we're meeting up with the RS6. We're obviously in the GTR here, hopefully you can hear me. Thought I'd bring you along for the ride. Let's see how it goes. Oh, that sounds wicked. Looks so good just rolling down the road here. Oh. Filming us, filming him, filming us. Kinda rude to not let this old girl have a bit of a rip as well. Oh, my valves are shut. Hang on. Full mode. Got the RS6, got a German E-Class with a woman coming up the inside, wondering what the hell I'm doing here. RS6 on the inside. Look at this, spoiled for choice. We're not even at the meet yet. Oh, look at that, 1.6 EX Civic. Wow, that's definitely crap, man. So I've reached the hotel, hoping that there's some parking left. Let's see. Hi, looking to park in the car park if possible.
Oh, fine, mate, I'll come and let you in.
Cheers. Gary's all chuffed with his new wings and bonnet. Look at them. Oh, here's our man. Not too shabby, look at that. Behind the gate, well secure. Can't park there, mate. Here we go, we are rolling out of the hotel. The battery in this car is absolutely dead as well, just had to jump start it. Slightly nervous about going to wash the car and getting home today as well as a result of that, because I might not always have the opportunity for a jump start. See how we get on. Yeah, let me pull up here. When a young petrol head asks, he must oblige. Look at that thing. WRC, but it's actually covered in mud. Here's what we're learning. Look, the English water seems to have something extra in it, and it causes things to go really spotty. So we want to get around it with a quick detailer. This is becoming a common theme today. Really wishing I'd just bought a new battery. There we go. See, that's all she needed. A little bit of encouragement. That's normal. Come out the factory like that. Here we go, she's all polished up. All those nasty water spots off.
Gary missed a bit.
So let me give you a quick rundown of our stand here. What we got? Golf R, as we've seen yesterday. Awesome looking yellow C63 that deafened me yesterday. Sandy's RS6. I need to get a bit closer on this for you. Every aspect of it is done to the max. Look at that, full carbon engine bay. S15, such a soft spot for these. Not something you see every day. Look at that. It's driven right out of an anime cartoon, hasn't it? I think fair to say the stand's pretty strong. Whether or not we win best stand, to be confirmed, let's see. Here is the great debate. Do you prefer the Mark III or the Mark II RS? Honestly, I think I'm a Mark II man at heart. I owned one of these years ago and still miss it to this day. Also, look at that. Genuine RS 500, what do we think? Yep, bit of me right here. EP3 Champ White. Got another GTR, he's also rocking the Litchfield stripes. We've got Batman doing the cleaning. He's got the toy car in the window. This guy's showing me up. TVR, we need to have a look at that. But for now, I think we're going to head inside the hall because this rain's really starting to come down. And that Doberman's really starting to attack that woman. Quite a well-known RS here. Belongs to Butsy, I believe it is. Might even see this one on the channel at some point. Butsy, if you're watching, you're more than welcome to come and see us. Jeez, there's clean then, there's clean. Get a load of that. This little sunbeam as well has kind of stumped me, but I do recognise one thing. That's a K20. Got a V10 Plus. Pretty standard. Looks great though. Got the Sierra there. You know the thing that always got me on these Sierras is just how big the rear window is. Look at that beast. How does that brakes? Just need to write the car off. The bracing, the kind of structure of it looks very atomy, but that front end ain't atomy. I think it's got an engine in it sitting that high.
The back's miles down, man.
What's going on there? That's probably more what mine would look like, to be honest, like OEM plus kind of.
Carbon. Just say you don't like mine,
I do like yours. See it in the video, I'm very complimentary of yours. What's the thoughts on putting Gallardo wheels on a car that is very much not Gallardo?
Absolutely not.
Some really prominent tyres on that Astra. Front end still looks better than some of the new BMWs. Look at the puddles. You got the fabric grille. Okay.
And clean seat. You're in well in groups. You can hand up two massive stands. Yeah? So I'm going to do first place. We know where we're at now, yeah? I believe this is the 5th time in a row we have given the first place in the club stands to Street Kings, making clean seat the incredible second place. Well done.
Hey. Oh shit!
What the fuck? Beating RS. Yeah, I'm on
Yeah, I go ripping. Still going. Is that you, Gary?
This guy's on your road, mate.
Just a bunch of clones in that car. NPC car. It's like dropped in mid-game. It's not a pure ghost or something. You know? That's Oh, and there we go, just like that, we're all wrapped up. Probably just as well really, because it is dreary out there. We did manage to scoop best club stand. Hopefully you guys were able to hear that with the Street Kings, which was pretty awesome. Now thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoy this kind of content, let me know below. We'll make more of it, but for now, we'll see you on the next one.
With no A1, tell the chef, I said thanks, tell I'm in the bank. Tell my mom I'm living good, tell my kids don't stress a thing. I go back